Now let's see what Sunny will do. Sunny flies all the way to Mama Rayan. He picks the 100 peso bill. Now bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 100 pesos. It's okay na daw. It's okay, ma'am?
Yes, it's okay.
Wow, you're very generous, mama. Serious question, did you enjoy our show? Did you enjoy our show?
Very much.
Wow, thank you so much, ma'am. Now, ma'am, since you have an extra money, can we do it again one more time? Like another 1,000 pesos.
My manager isn't there.
I'm just kidding, ma'am. So I will help you get your money back. All you have to do is extend your right arm like this and open your palm. Like this one. Alright. Now don't make extra movements, ma'am, and enjoy the show. Now, Sunny, can you come out here, please, and return the money? Now, Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. So Sunny flies back all the way to Mama Maria, and he puts the 100 peso bill back. Good job, Sunny. Now, ma'am, what is your message to our bird, Sunny?
So good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, eyes here, everyone, as we have here our playful son to your name, Jack. Right, fly to the first one, to the second one, and May to the third one. Now, Mr. Romnek, can we do it again? One more time. Okay, one more time, Jack. Fly to the first one, the second one, and May to the third one. So, a round of applause to our playful son to your name, Jack. Now, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Now again, about a round of applause to Ma'am Maria Lourdes. You're very talented, ma'am, especially in dancing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander in the rainforest of Brazil. As we have here two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Donna. So I have here Rudy and Lani. Now everyone, can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is one of the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Now, first one is a rooster.
Okay, how about cat?
Now, this one is Rudy's favorite. Rudy, can you bark? Now, next one is a telephone ringing. Now, last one is a whistle. Now, Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, let's do the warm-up. La 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 la. Now, I think they're ready for their first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Now, for our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Raise your hands. Alright, so I think we have a lots of celebrants here. Nobody's. What will you do? Sing happy birthday. Again. Last one. Now see how talented parrots are. They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans using their voices. So a round of applause for our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Donna. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Lani and Rudy's good friend, our most handsome tuka-tuka name, Mr. Horn. Now, Tugatuggans is the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. It has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforests. Now, there are a total of 40 Tugatuggans around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and colorful bill. Now, Tugatuggans, when they travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. So, fun fact about Tugatuggans, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a natural radiator. So round of applause to our most handsome Tugatuggan name, Mr. Horn.